is Stahl with yet another episode of our special brand new podcast series, Paint Productivity and Profit, sponsored by Sherwin-Williams. We're going to talk about the Collision Core today, which is Sherwin-Williams' system that offers intuitive, interconnected solutions, providing at-a-glance visibility into key business operations to build strength and stability into your collision repair business. And joining me today, I have a very special guest, John Ceglarek, who is the Technical Marketing Manager with Sherwin-Williams. So John, tell me a little bit about this Collision Core system.
Hi, Jason. Thanks for having me today.
Sure.
Collision Core focuses on a critical and often unmet needs within the industry. It connects metrics, drives labor optimization and utilization via a fully mobile, always connected cloud-based solution. It also features our latest introduction into the suite of products, Collision Core Pronto, which is an automated mixing system that saves time, money, and most of all, labor and potential rework.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Automated paint mixing. That's probably music to a lot of painters' ears.
Oh, absolutely.
So John, tell me some of the benefits that the Collision Core brings to a shop.
So it offers multiple benefits, not only to shop owners, painters, technicians. It improves cycle time, profitability. It increases capacity, improves first time and on-time quality, optimizes labor. It's easy to adopt, simple to deploy. The ROI on it's very fast, and it saves time, resources, and elevates top performers.
Great, and you know, we're living in a digital world, right? So what are some of the components that make up this entire suite of BodyShop software tools?
So the central component's Collision Core Color, which is our 24/7 live, fully online color retrieval software that is optimized to work through touchscreen system, provides instantaneous color retrieval, and an excellent user experience. Mm-hmm. Connected to that, you've got Collision Core Inventory, which provides not only inventory management, but ordering through an easy and intuitive interface. Shops can save time, improve order accuracy, and just simply enjoy product availability. Collision Core Diagnostics is the third piece. Diagnostics is a live web-based KPI, key performance indicator reporting software that focuses on the most important measurements to drive overall performance. And then finally, what we're here to talk about today, there's Collision Core Pronto. This offers body shops a true fully automated solution for mixing color. The dispenser is fully integrated into Collision Core Color and can send multiple mixes through the dispenser all at the same time. It offers better accuracy, which allows the technician basically time to focus on other value-added activities.
So John, Pronto is what I'm most excited to talk about today because it is a technological marvel from what I understand. And I understand it's the latest addition to the Collision Core program. So tell me a little bit more about this Pronto.
That's right, Jason. You might actually say the future of paint mixing is here. Collision Core Pronto is a revolutionary closed-circuit, fully automated dispensing unit capable of mixing up to 6 formulations at once, interfaced directly with Collision Core Color, the retrieval system, the inventory tools, and it allows you to improve color accuracy, minimize maintenance, and overall reduce waste.
Wow. I mean, John, that sounds like the answer to every body shop's paint mixing problems. So what are the benefits this system provides?
Well, as I said, minimizing waste is a huge part of it. You can dispense 1.5 ounces of color, so 50 grams, accurately and repeatable with the machine. Shops can improve overall accuracy because it is dispensing down to about 0.01 grams, which is 10 times the accuracy of a typical scale in a body shop today. You increase efficiency because you're getting a color mix from the machine about every 5 minutes. It's fully automatic, so running 4 dispensing heads on our typical machine gives a technician time to do other things in the shop. As I said, it's integrated fully with Collision Core Color, and the machine itself eliminates a lot of paint conditioning and drying issues because the circuits are closed, they recirculate, they agitate, and the configuration keeps the paint fresh in the canisters. So having its 64 circuits have perfect paint all the time.
That's it? I mean, Wow, what a laundry list of benefits for a shop. So tell me about, is this system applicable to all types of shops, big and small?
Yeah, I would say the automated paint mixing systems, Pronto in particular, it's definitely got applications in every shop setting. Where this machine really shines is in a high productivity environment. Its ability to have kind of a continuous flow of mixes being sent to it, and therefore a continuous flow of mixings coming out of it, results in you essentially having fresh paint to spray every 5 minutes. In addition to that, the mix accuracy of the machine, which I mentioned earlier, is about 10 times the accuracy that you would get from a typical scale in a body shop today. So that allows you to mix, in some cases, significantly smaller amounts of material with accurate color than you would have been able to do on a scale. The result being you're mixing smaller amounts, you're reducing overall waste and cost, and you only mix as much paint as you need.
Wow, that sounds incredibly efficient, John. Chances are shop personnel have never seen any system like this in their life. So what are the first things they're going to notice when it's implemented in the shop?
So right out of the gate, shop manager, painters, technicians, really anybody in the shop are going to notice several things. Automated paint mixing significantly reduces the human error and kind of dramatically improves overall color accuracy. Technicians now have more time. They can multitask while paint's being mixed, and it increases their overall productivity in the shop. The system also allows for precise small batch mixing, so they're going to notice less waste going out the back door of the shop. And then having real-time access to your inventory ensures an uninterrupted workflow because you've got material on site to be able to mix with.
And that's incredibly important for cycle time, right? So, John, this sounds like this is just what shops need when every dollar and every minute counts. When it comes down to getting the vehicle in and out of a booth in a timely manner, what's the reaction been from your customer base?
Yeah, we've been told by countless shop managers that they think Collision Core Pronto mixing is a real game changer. More accurate mixes, less waste, and more time spent on things painters should be doing, the things that matter. They've also told us when installing Pronto that painters can focus on quality while the system handles the repetitive mixing activities, basically giving them an extra pair of hands in the shop, a really accurate pair of hands in this case. And finally, we consistently hear that color accuracy and quality improves dramatically when the machine's been put in place.
So John, if our viewers want more information about Collision Core Pronto, where would they go?
Well, Jason, thanks for having me. Shop owners, managers, painters, technicians that are looking for more information on the Collision Core suite of products, they can click on the URL that's on the screen right here, or they can pause the podcast and take a picture of the QR code. Or obviously they can contact their local or regional Sherwin Automotive representative or contact their local Sherwin-Williams branch.
Wow. Thanks again, John.
Thank you.
That's a wrap on the latest episode of Paint Productivity and Profit. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.